that?
Wait.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that.
I just saw Mario. Start with this box on top. So this looks like some tax information. Frame, 51st states. Many illegal activities in progress. Enter at your own risk. Okay, we'll see. Warning, bad dog. Looks really old, but could be cool. Calendar.
That's a
Are
brake
these brake
pad.
pads?
Yeah,
Okay. It's broken.
This whole thing. That could be worth something. What is it?
It's like a
Show the camera.
Goat Express. I'm not really sure.
A Goat Express?
It's a goat, I think. I don't know. Klein Tools. I don't know if that's something that's worth anything.
No, it's
looks
not.
really nothing really valuable in that box. Maybe Ron John Surf Shop.
Maybe. Nah.
Has
It says
Greg on it. Okay.
Greg's not worth anything.
Sorry, Greg. All right. Not a cord. Let's see. Another bunch of series sell well for us, so if we can find like full series of stuff, that'll be good. This guy thought the world was flat. Interesting. Ooh. Let's see.
Wow.
PS3 game.
Are they in there? Wow.
That's a good one. Grand Theft Auto. Darn.
Why is that one not in there?
Red Dead
maybe some of them
Redemption. Yeah, it looks like some might be in other places.
Maybe like a video game pile or something.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that?
It's original PlayStation, it looks like. But I don't know what it is.
Yeah, we'll have to look that up.
Yeah, it doesn't say what it is. Interesting. See some more green stuff in here. Gears of War.
Oh, thank God it's in there.
Midnight Cloud. I don't know what that is. But we always like finding some video games. Madden 12. Those don't usually sell too well, but except for that one that does.
The heck is that?
The complete studio recording of The Doors.
That could be
That
worth
could
something.
be worth something. True Blood. Yeah, again, if we have like
What
multiple
DVD is
seasons
that?
of these, that could be good. God of War collection. Nice. I think they're both in here. Oh, that's actually.
Oh, there's the Grand
there's Grand
Theft Auto. We
Theft
should put it
Auto.
back in the thing. So that it's in there.
All right, so that makes me feel better that hopefully the other ones are somewhere in. I'm gonna take this one out because that's a different
Yeah.
game as well. But
You just keep it in there to just protect it, probably.
okay.
True Blood, those are worth something, right? Probably.
Second, third. I feel like we might need more than just 2 series, but I know there was more boxes of DVD-like things, so I'm hoping they'll be in there. Looks like a bunch of games. Jeff has a DVD guy who really likes to pick up bins of DVDs, so we'll probably be contacting him. Not something we sell on eBay, really, unless it's worth a bunch, which not, but there's people who make a bunch of money on it, so we'll probably hit him up. This one's heavy. Propane feels empty. Do we have have a place for trash?
I don't know.
What's this thing? Has like speakers on it.
What is it?
Crossley.
It's weird.
Does it actually like work for records, or is it just to play, like a pretend?
And it would be to play.
Oh.
But I have no idea. I know nothing about records.
Me either, but definitely keep that and check it out. I'll have to look this up. We sold a bunch of Frisbee golf discs. Ooh.
What is that?
Super Nintendo. But where's the Super Nintendo?
Probably a good sign.
Check this out. Whoa. Looks in working condition. I mean, needs to be cleaned up,
Put
but
that to the side.
that's good.
I think that's a soldering.
Okay.
What are those, like pins? Are those pins in there?
They're letters.
Okay.
I don't know. I'll have to take a closer look at that, but garbage. Polaroid
Those
camera.
can be worth.
Doesn't look super old, but
What's the model?
down here, maybe.
Okay. We've sold those before.
Yeah, so keep going.
Is that a torch?
Yeah.
So probably.
Kinda scared to dig through some of this, if I'm being honest.
There's a ring in there. I would take everything out. Let's start sorting it. Because I saw a ring in there, I think. It should be. Do you see the ring?
This?
No.
Oh. I didn't see that on there. Don't see anything on it. Yeah, I don't see anything.
No markings on it?
No,
Let's see.
you can look closer maybe.
What is that?
A rock. I don't know. Some rats can sell for a bunch.
Weird.
80s baby. Credit cards? A Venmo credit card. I didn't know they had credit cards. I don't know. We could use some batteries. Sure.
Yeah, let's start taking stuff out of here. See what's in there. Maybe some good stuff.
Wait.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that.
I just saw Mario popping up. It's like a
That's
Mario
why I
Luigi.
said we should look through this.
Nintendo
Just 'cause
3DS.
you can't even tell what's what. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Well,
Okay,
that's
that's
awesome. Okay.
That's why I'm saying we should.
I'm trying to. There's a lot of pokey stuff in here is the issue.
Well, we should get a.
So maybe let's pause for a second. I'm gonna grab a bag.
All right, we decided we have to do some cleanup here because our table's getting too messy. That could be. Keep
Jim
it.
Beam. Ouch.
What?
I just
I'd
poked
throw
like
that.
something, like I said.
I would throw that out. That sometimes Zippos or whatever that is. That's definitely a keeper.
Okay.
What brand is it?
Johnny? Aladdin
Show the
Labs?
camera. Okay. The heck is that? Does it open? What is it?
I think it's a lighter.
Wow. Yeah,
It's
the
really
vintage
old.
lighters,
And
this
it
could
goes
be
in
worth-
this, it fits like perfectly in this little elephant. So I'm not really
So
sure.
we'll put the prices below, right?
Yeah, once we figure stuff out. That's garbage.
Who is that?
It's
Broken.
super
Who is
broken.
it though?
That guy from Christmas Story.
It's super broken?
He's supposed to
Yeah,
have
throw it
ears. Someone drew
What is
poor
the-
glasses on him.
Okay, then that's a throw out, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe, is he? Yeah.
He's very gross. I don't know who would buy him.
Throw out the lighters and the gross stuff. Ooh, what is that? What the heck is that?
I don't know. He has a lot of weird shit. I don't like it.
What is it though?
I don't know. I have no idea what that is, and I don't like it. It's broken too.
You love doing this? Ooh, what is that? That could be something.
Mini. I don't know what it is. Honestly, single.
Weird.
I don't know, but could be.
I'd throw that. Well, yeah.
I don't know.
We'll
We
have to edit that
usually
out.
keep
We'll have
keys
to edit
just in
that out.
case.
Throw those out. Find it out.
Ray-Bans.
Oh, nice. What model? Holy crap. That's why I said we should look through all this stuff.
New Wayfarer.
Okay, that's good. Wow.
They look like they're in pretty good condition.
You want to put them on?
No. I don't want to put any.
Whoa, whoa. Those lighters can be worth a lot.
Throw away the lighters.
You just threw away a Zippo metal thing? It's right there. It's right there. Is this?
It's not a Zippo.
Okay, that's fine. Just saying that those lighters are... Ooh, carnival glass.
What
So-
is this?
I learned about this. It's carnival glass, and someone could be worth like a lot of money.
Okay.
And I'm saying that so I could be completely wrong, but I've seen people talk about that. It has that, where it has that colorful. Okay, we do not need that, whatever that is.
For my best friend in Jamaica.
I don't even know if that's allowed on YouTube.
Generally, these aren't worth too much unless they're new, but we'll see. Handcuffs?
Oh, are they heavy?
Yeah.
Okay, those. Is there a key on them? Oh my god. Weird stuff in here. You're gonna have to do a lot of editing.
You're making this video.
No, I'm not. You're making it. Okay, so those cards can be collectible. I would just keep all the keys because
Damn driver.
we haven't been throwing out the keys, right? Because
No, we always keep keys.
Ooh,
just...
that's actually pretty nice, but it's not. I didn't mean like nice. I meant the light is nice. We don't need the light though. It's fine.
Brown star.
What is that?
Beads. I don't know. Just beads.
Ooh, what is that?
I don't know.
Does it open? Do you want to wash your hands?
After this box, yes. That has pokey stuff in it. These look like dentist tools.
Oh. Do we have gloves? I think we have gloves, if you want to use that. Do you have to open it all the way to see what's in there? What is it?
A bunch of keys.
I would just keep them for now.